I enrolled at the Whistler Adventure School because I was looking for a bike mechanic course that was not just an introductory bike mechanic, but a mastery of the bike mechanics. I work at a Sea to Sky Adventure Company in Squamish, and we have a fleet of 30 high-end performance mountain bikes, and I really wanted to know every part of the bike so that I can understand what our mechanics are doing on the bikes, and if there's an issue I can troubleshoot those when the mechanics are not available, as well as to develop our staff training program around renting bikes out, receiving them back in, as well as our guides so they can do on-trail repair. And I can take the knowledge that I've learned here and develop our staff training program with it. So the course gave me confidence to be able to, in my own skills, so that I know that after I'm done setting up a bike or doing any repairs on a bike, 100% confident that the repair or the build is done 100% as per the manufacturer's specifications, so our clients will have a phenomenal maintenance issue-free adventure. And I can bring this back to our employees and teach them the same.